real question though is this worth $241? Let's find out. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomiwa, and on WhatsUpTomiwa, every week we come here and we talk about fashion, skincare, beauty, life, or home improvement. So if that is your vibe, make sure you hit the link you see on your screen. Did I say link? I meant the subscribe button you see on your screen, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified for my next couple of videos, right? Now let's jump right into today's video. Today we're doing another product review. I know we're used to me doing shoe reviews, but today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be, reviewing a clothing item. And I'm not gonna lie, this video is brought to you courtesy Instagram. And no, I do not mean that Instagram sponsored the video. I just mean that the only reason why I'm sat here doing this product review is because I was largely influenced on Instagram. Today we're reviewing none other than the Jil Sander T-shirt. Now, a little fun fact about me. Typically, I detest everything logo. Like when I see a product that has the logo stamped on it, especially in bold prints, I run in the opposite direction. But this Jil Sander T-shirt, it was like every single time I saw one of my faves on Instagram rocket, it was warming me up to the idea of having a logo, wearing a logo T-shirt. And finally, I caved in. Jil Sander is a German minimalist fashion brand, and it's a cult favorite with a lot of, online influencers and celebrities alike. This t-shirt typically retails for about $300 to $250, depending on the site that you find it on. Could be higher on some certain sites, because you know how these retail sites price their items differently. But I got it at $241, and I got it from the site Satire. Shipping, everything probably came down to about $281 thereabouts. But let's just do an unboxing and jump right into the product itself. It came in the box, of course, but I've tossed that. And then it came in this transparent packaging with the Jil Sander logo at the top. And if you bring it out of the packaging, this is what the t-shirt looks like. So I'm just going to spread that out for you so you see. The t-shirt looks something like this. It has the logo right across it. Now I got this t-shirt in like an off-white, but I believe it also comes in white and probably a few other colors. I'm not sure. I'm going to come back to you on that. But yes, I got it in the off-white. That's because sometimes pure white can have this harsh look that I don't like, but off-white is pretty much softer. The real question though is this worth $241? Let's find out. In terms of the make, the fabric is 100% cotton, which is good. Cotton is probably one of the most non-irritable fabric you can wear. It's very soothing on the skin and it's quite durable, especially when you get like 100% cotton. The other thing is the texture. Unlike your regular t-shirts that you probably have, this is, I don't know whether it is like double woven or something, but the texture is really thick and sturdy. And that's probably what gives it that boxy fit. If you look at all the people that I have seen online rock it, and I'll just put a picture of me, trying it on the screen as well, you'd see that it has this boxy fit that, speaks for itself. It's not like your typical t-shirt fit, This one has a little extra oomph to it. I love the thick ribbed neckline of the collar. I typically don't like tight-fitted things, but the cut of this t-shirt is like super loose fitting. So I got it in a small and it just fits perfectly. The t-shirt is one that is worn by both male and female. As you see on the different sites, you can shop it. And you can shop it from various sites, so probably check Satire, Farfetch, Essence, and a host of others. I would, drop some of the links where you can cop them in the description box below so you can check them out. Those are some of the sites that you can cop the t-shirt from if you like it. And I'm just going to show you a few ways that I have worn it. As you can see here, I'm wearing it with a satin skirt. This particular look, I saw somebody on Instagram wear something almost exactly like it and I absolutely loved it. I'm wearing a maxi satin skirt, which is from Zara, I believe, and I have worn it with dad sandals from Chanel. I just carried my black Gucci purse to tie in the look together. And I'm wearing these Bottega dupes that I got from absolutely love the look. Now, one thing I realized, for everybody that I have seen that has worn this top that I love, they almost never tucked it in. That's because the beauty of the top is really the boxy shape. And when I was wearing this second look, I was tempted to tuck it in, because typically when you wear like a mini skirt, I'll normally, you know, tuck in a t-shirt into a mini skirt. This time I decided to fly out the t-shirt. I don't even know if that's grammatically correct, but for the essence of this video, you get what I mean. And I absolutely love, you know, that the skirt is just peeking a little bit from underneath the t-shirt. The skirt is from my label Ayaba Woman. You can check us out on Instagram to shop it if you like. And I've worn this also with the dad sandals. But if I want to, and that's probably for like a daytime look, but if I want to take it out at night, I would rock this totally with a pair of heels like I have done, and I absolutely love it. Now for the final way that I have styled this t-shirt, I have worn it with cargo pants. If I want to take it to work or somewhere a bit more, you know, elevated casual, I'll probably throw on a black blazer over that and just have the logo peek from underneath the blazer. I can wear it with dad sandals as well, or a pair of heels, and I am good to go. Now the big question, is it worth the price? This one is a bit tricky, because if we're going to do girl mats, and you guys have probably heard about boy mats and girl mats, you know, if I'm going to calculate the cost per wear of this outfit, if I got it for $241 and I wear it 200 times, that means it would have cost about $2. Now, if that isn't value for money, I don't know what is. So there you have it, guys. That is my verdict. Let me know what you think about the t-shirt in the comments. You know, let me know if you have it, how you'd style it, which of the ways that I have styled it is your favorite. Let me know all of that in the comments. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified for my next couple of videos. Yeah? Now till my very next video, au revoir.